Hey guys, welcome back to one of our videos. So this morning, we just got this dog. We bought it off Amazon and the brand is Top Rates. It's like a future dog. It says future right here. A futuristic dog. It's basically like a smart dog. It has sensors and stuff and well, it's pretty lifelike and well, we're gonna see how it works.
So it also comes with a remote with all these buttons, and it has a dance button that's really cool. It's really funny. My baby brother loves when it dances. He's smiling and laughing. It's like so good. This dog actually came for the first time, so my baby brother actually pretty excited about this, and it's really funny when it does like the worm.
This is an incredible addition to our toys, and I completely just love it. Also, my sister and brother really seem to enjoy it as much as I do. I really like it because it's like so lifelike, and I've never actually seen a toy like this before, except on the web. So this is a very good addition to our toys. We'll see you in the next video.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button.
Bye.